I'm ready to share my plans to revitalise the Oromo language. I know that to preserve a language, particularly with heated histories, often means being prepared to pay. And the cost for the Oromo language was beyond money. People paid for the language with their lives. What I'm doing at the moment is preserving what I know of the Oromo language by creating quality learning tools for young Oromo children. I was quite lucky growing up because my dad was able to connect me to a community of not just 1 or 2 but 40 million people by preserving the Oromo language. And that was his pledge. My pledge is to release my work and campaign from the beginning of November to revitalise the Oromo language around the world. You can pledge your support by getting involved too. I think that's what I'm most excited about.
How can you get involved in Afaan's campaign? Well, there are many ways. Starting from the 3rd of November, you can either advocate on social media, where sharing and liking is the easiest way of spreading the message. Share your expertise and dedicate your social, professional or artistic talents with our campaign goals. Pledge your support financially by digging deep to preserve the Oromo language, or the ultimate, host your very own fundraiser event.
If you think that the people in your city has what it takes to host an Oromo event to preserve the language sometime during the month of November, then email me and register your interest before the 27th of this month. What we'll do at our launch is we will announce the top 10 cities around the world to become our international hosts. Every day until launch date, I'll be releasing daily videos to share and introduce you to some of those different people. And in terms of whether you have what it takes, I know the Oromo community in Norway certainly has what it takes because I saw it with my own eyes. I went there and they just made everything happen in ways that I'd never seen in my life. So regardless of wherever you are in the world, let me know if you have what it takes, and together let's pledge to preserve a language whose story needs to be told.